On the 5th of May 1789, the Estates General met at Versailles near Paris for the first time in 175 years. Welcome to HistoryPod. The Estates General was the traditional representative assembly of France, composed of three estates: the First Estate, who made up the clergy, the Second Estate, the nobility, and the Third Estate, which consisted of everybody else. Convened by King Louis XVI, the meeting was intended to address France's deepening financial crisis. The country had accumulated significant debt, in part due to its involvement in the American War of Independence. Tax collection was inefficient and placed the greatest demands on the poorest, but attempts at reform had been blocked by the nobility. By 1788, the monarchy was facing bankruptcy. In response to growing public unrest and pressure from the notables, King Louis XVI agreed to convene the Estates General to seek solutions. Notebooks of grievances, known as cahiers de doléances, were collected prior to the meeting, and they reveal widespread dissatisfaction with feudal privileges, taxation, and inequality. Consequently, when the Estates General opened on the 5th of May, many hoped that it would provide a platform for reform. However, disputes quickly arose over voting, as each estate traditionally had one vote, a system that could enable the First and Second Estates to outvote the Third, despite the latter representing the vast majority of the population. In response, the Third Estate called for voting by head rather than by order. On the 17th of June 1789, the Third Estate took matters into their own hands by declaring themselves the National Assembly, claiming the right to represent the nation. Known as the Tennis Court Oath, this is widely regarded as the trigger for the French Revolution.